What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is our number 18th day of the Clickbank Make Money Online Challenge, where we're going to try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys a quick update of what has been going on inside our Clickbank accounts, if we got any sales, and also show you the amount of clicks that we are getting right now into our account. So I'm just going to make a quick video and just show you guys the stats and show you guys what has been going on inside our Clickbank account. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go right to the dashboard and let's see if I've made any money yet. So I'm just going to make the video very short. I'm just going to give you guys updates of what has been going on. So we're just going to go right here to the dashboard and let's see if you have gotten any results or any sales from here. As I showed you guys in the previous videos, we are promoting Mitolin, this particular offer right here that is selling very well on the affiliate marketplace right now, and we're trying to make our first sale in 30 days starting from scratch using 100% free traffic and without using any paid traffic method. So we have created different social media accounts to drive traffic to our offer. So you can see from here right now we have not made any sale yet, but hopefully by the end of this day, by end of this challenge, we're going to be able to make our first sale using 100% free traffic. And I'm showing you guys realistically what to go and expect when you're going to get started from scratch with free traffic. So the main aim is to build social media accounts that is going to drive traffic to our Clickbank offers, and from there we can get a lot of targeted free traffic and make money. So you can see from here that today is the 18th day and we have not made any money, but the main goal right now is to get as much clicks as possible, because the more clicks we are going to get, then we are going to make a sale. We are going to make a sale, and that is going to be guaranteed if we are going to get targeted free traffic. So let's go right to the reporting and let's see our stats right here. So click on the reporting and let's see our analytics for today. I can see right here today we already have 4 clicks right here, so we already have 4 people that are clicking to our affiliate offers. So the main goal right now is for us to get consistent clicks to our affiliate offer, because if we are getting consistent clicks, it is just a matter of time for us to actually make money. So that is why it's very important that you're going to create social media accounts and you're going to post consistently on those accounts so that you can start getting people clicking like this and going back to your affiliate offer. And it's just a matter of time for you to start making money. And when the social media accounts grow, you're going to be getting, for example, 100 plus clicks a day, and you're going to be able to make money almost every week. You're going to make multiple sales every week if you're getting, for example, 100 clicks plus every single day once you have grown your social media accounts. So you can see right here I've gotten 4 clicks today. I will go right here by yesterday. Then click on apply. I can see from here that yesterday we got up to 12 clicks, so that is very important. The main important thing now is for us to get as much clicks as possible, so we are going to consistently be posting on our social media accounts to try and get as much clicks as possible. So our main goal is to be getting consistent clicks every single day. So as I showed you guys in the previous videos, we are posting content on different social media accounts. We have four Pinterest accounts, we have 2 Instagram accounts, and we also have 1 TikTok account that we're posting content right here. And this is one of our Pinterest, our Instagram accounts from here. As you can see, I'm still posting content every single day on these different social media accounts right here. As I've also shown you guys on the Pinterest accounts, I've shown you guys many times the Pinterest accounts that we're posting different type of contents right here on our Pinterest account, and we're still getting views and we're still getting clicks from these social media accounts every single day. So all you're going to do is you're going to go right here. Even if you watch the previous videos, you can go and watch the previous videos, and as I show you guys how we created these accounts, how we set up the social media accounts, and also how we got content to be posting on the social media accounts right here every single day. So all you're going to follow those videos. If you haven't watched the previous videos, just go back, for example, to day 0, and you're going to watch the videos and you're going to see step by step on exactly what we have been doing on those different social media accounts to post content, how to get contents, how to post the content consistently and send people back to our affiliate offer using our simple landing page. So you can see from here, this is just one of our Pinterest accounts. From here you can see from here we're getting impressions every single day, and you can see we're getting clicks. People are clicking from here and going back to our affiliate offer, and we are already building an audience. And this is just one account. As I've shown you guys in the previous videos, we have up to 4 different Pinterest accounts that we're posting contents on there, and we're getting free impressions and free clicks every single day. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some time, and I'm also going to try to increase the number of Pinterest accounts, because you can easily create Pinterest accounts than, for example, TikTok accounts or Instagram accounts. You can go and create Pinterest accounts a lot easier, and most of the accounts are not going to get banned. But if anyone gets banned, you just need to create another account, and you can post a lot of content. You can go and post, for example, 10 plus videos every single day on Pinterest, and your account is not going to get banned. But you can go on, but you cannot do that, for example, on Instagram, because your account is going to get banned. So we're also promoting offers right here. If you go back to, if you go, for example, the previous videos, you're going to see our TikTok accounts where you're posting contents there also every single day, and we're also getting free traffic to our offer. So that's it, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys what has been going on inside the Clickbank accounts. I've just been posting content consistently on the different accounts, and I've not posted a lot on this particular account yet, so I'm just going to be increasing the content that I'm going to be posting on the Pinterest side of things. But on the Instagram and on the TikTok, I've been posting different styles of videos every single day on those different accounts. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to increase the content on these 4 Pinterest accounts that we already have, and I'm going to try to go and create a lot more Pinterest accounts so that we can go and actually get a lot more clicks faster, so that hopefully by the end of these 30 days, the days that are remaining, we are going to get a lot more clicks. So our main goal is to getting, for example, at least 20 plus clicks every single day, so that we can go and make our first sale as soon as possible. And on every step, I'm going to be updating you guys on what I'm going to be doing on this particular channel. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and also turn on the notifications so you're going to notify when I'm going to post the next video. And also after this 30 days challenge, I'm also going to be doing other different Clickbank challenges using free traffic methods and also paid traffic methods. So that's, guys. So as I showed you guys in the previous video, so all I do is, for example, on Pinterest, is that you can just go right here and type, for example, lose weight fast. You can see, for example, that's right here, just type, for example, lose weight fast, and that's it. You're going to find a lot of contents that you can go and model on Pinterest. You can go and download a lot of these contents. You can just go and download, for example, contents only on Pinterest and post it on your different social media accounts, on, for example, TikTok, and also on your Instagram accounts, and get free traffic. So let me just wait for this to load. So that's, guys, you can see from here, as I've just searched for how to lose weight fast. As you can see from here, it is actually showing me some of my, you can see from here, it's actually showing me some of our content that we have already posted from here. You can see results from your pin. So that's why you're going to make sure that when you're posting your content on Pinterest, you're going to make sure to go and include tags, and your tags are going to be about losing weight, etc. And you have not watched, for example, our, for example, day 2 video of how we are setting up the Pinterest account, you're going to see exactly how I showed you guys the right way to go and post content on this, so that you're going to get recommended when somebody search for example, how to lose weight fast on Pinterest, so you can go and get traffic from the search engine. So you can see, I've just, for example, lose weight fast. You can see from here, it's already recommending some of our pins that we have already posted from here. As you can see, if I click, for example, on this, it's going to take people straight back to our landing page that we created on system.io. So let me just wait for this to load. So you can see from here, it's just going to load and going to send people straight back to our landing page. So you're going to make sure that when you're posting content, depending on the niche that you're promoting your affiliate offers in, you're going to make sure to include a lot of tags, because that's going to help when people search for those different keywords for you to get recommended in the search on Pinterest. So if I scroll from here, you can go and see now more ideas about how to lose weight. You can see from here, there's a lot of different pins from here. And what you can do from here is you can just go and see, for example, some of these images from here. You can see right here, shed 45 pounds in just 3 weeks with this recipe. What you can do from here is I can just also go and click on this. I can go and save these images from here, and you can also go and make people to be curious, because they're going to see, for example, this particular jar from here. They're going to be curious on what is actually in this particular jar, and most of them are going to click right here and they're going to visit the link, and that is going to be your affiliate link. So let me show you guys an example. So let me just go and save this image from here. So let me just save this image, and I'm just going to repost it on my account and show you guys as an example. So that's, guys, I've already saved the image. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to go back right here, and I'm just going to go and click on create pin. Click on create pin, and from here I'm just going to go and upload that image, and I'm also going to go and input a link back to our landing page directly from here. So let me just click on drag and drop. So that's it. I'm just going to click on open, And as you can see from here, so this type of pin also is a new pin that I've been seeing a lot on Pinterest, and I'm going to be experimenting with this particular pin because you can see, for example, this is a very big call to action from here. You can see shed £45 in just 3 weeks with this recipe. So many people are going to be curious about what is exactly this particular is in this particular jar that is going to help them to lose weight. And what you can do from here is that I've already seen this type of post, and I'm going to be modeling what they're doing. What you can do from here is that you can just copy, for example, this. So let me just copy this. I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to paste right here as our title. And I can just post, for example, the same thing in the description, and just write, for example, check the link in my bio. To learn more, or you can just say, just click on the pin. So what we're going to do from here next is we're going to copy this our landing page URL right here, and you're just going to go and click on add the link, paste the link right here. And as I was telling you guys about the tags, you're going to make sure to input the tags from here, so that when somebody search for your pin on Pinterest, is going to get recommended to these different search keywords. So you're going to input, for example, loss. We're going to start here weight loss tips. Let's input loss, for example, weight loss motivation. You can input lose. You can see lose body fat. You're going to include all these tags from here, so that you're going to get, when people search, you're going to have a lot more opportunity of getting ranked in the search engines on Pinterest. So let me try, for example, as well. Let me look for right here, weight loss workouts, and you can see there's a lot of all these tags right here. Weight loss for older adults, and you're going to input these tags from here, and you're just going to go and click on publish. And as you guys see, it's actually very easy. So let's click on view our pin. So you can see from here, this is a new type of pin that I've been seeing, and I'm seeing that it's actually getting a lot of people are actually getting a lot of clicks using this particular type of pins on Pinterest than the number of pins, for example, the different videos, because this one right here is going to raise people's curiosity. They're going to try to know what is actually inside this jar, and most of them are just going to click from here. Since we input our link, when somebody open our pin from here, they're going to see right here, click visit site, and they're going to click on this, and this is going to take them straight back to our landing page. So I'm going to be trying this type of content as well, using this different style of images, and I'm also going to be posting, for example, I'm going to show you guys if it's getting a lot more clicks or not on this account right here. So when I click on that link, as I show you guys, it comes straight right here to our landing page, and the people are going to be able to see our landing page, our title from here. Click on this, take them straight back to our affiliate offer. So one thing I like about Pinterest is that if you go and see one of these type of images from here, it is going to recommend a lot more different images. So let me show you guys an example. So you can see from here, you have opened this one from here. You're going to see that if you scroll down, you're going to find something similar. So let me look, for example, this one. You can see, for example, extreme weight loss. We're open, for example, this one. You're going to see there's a lot of different recommendations of something similar that you can just go. That is going to give you a lot more content to just go and download and repost on Pinterest. So you can see from here, so to go and get, for example, other type of, for example, images just like this one that you can go and repost, what you can do on Pinterest is that there's a simple trick from here. If you look right here, you're going to see this a small search icon right here. It says explore. You can also go and see that as well on your mobile. You're going to click on this, and it's going to give you a lot more content just like this particular image right here. So just click on this. It's going to take some few seconds, and it's going to load, and it's going to show you different variations of those same type of content that you can go on, download and repost on your account. So let me just wait for this to load some few seconds. So in this particular one, my internet is a bit very slow for this example, but let me show you guys the other example. So this is the one that we posted from here. As you can see right here, you can see that there are other suggestions of different style of images as well that you can go on download that people have already created. They can just go on, you can see right this one, just download, repost, and you're going to input a link straight back to your offer. As you can see from here, these are all links that people have already posted right here. So if you click on this explore button right here, as I've already done for this particular image right here, let me show you guys right here, you're going to see that it's going to bring similar results just like that one. So you can see from here, these are similar results just like this one that you can go and download, and you can go and post. So when somebody see, for example, something like this, for example, lose 50 pounds fast, try this for 2 weeks, many of them are going to be curious on what the person is talking about, and they're going to go and click on this link. They're going to go through, and that is where it's going to take the people straight back to your affiliate offer, and from there people are going to be able to see the offer is going to sell them on the product, and that is where you're going to make a commission when they buy that product. As you can see, for this past example right here, I've clicked on this link and you can see it's taking me straight to their simple landing page as well, just like that on. As you can see, if I click on this link, it's taking me straight back to appealing that's the affiliate offer on Clickbank that they're promoting right now using this simple process that I'm showing you guys right here. So people are already doing this, and you can also go and use this type of images as well and make people to be curious, and you're going to get a lot more clicks faster than just posting, for example, just in videos on Pinterest. So you can see, you click on that link, it's taking me straight back to the appealing weight loss product right here on Clickbank. And if I buy from here, that affiliate is going to make money. So that's it, guys. I just want to update you guys on what has been going on inside our Clickbank account, and also give you guys some new strategies that I found on Pinterest, just like this particular image right here. So that's, guys, take action and subscribe to this channel, as I'm going to be posting more updates from tomorrow and onwards. So that's it. I'm going to see you in the next video.